Hi there. For anyone who doesn't know me, my name is Tina Gordon and I'm the Campbell River School District's Vice Principal for Elementary Technology. I'm here to talk to you for a moment about your pen tool for your Surface Pro. Hopefully you're enjoying your Surface Pro and getting a lot of use out of this wonderful handy dandy little device, but it's getting to a point now where some of them might be starting to die. And the reason why that is, there actually is a little tiny battery inside of here. So to access that battery and replace it, you're going to just give it the lid just a little tiny turn. It'll just snap. Open that on up and slide out the 4A battery. That's right, a 4A. I hadn't heard of that before either. Anyway, if you get your 4A battery, you can buy replacements of these down at Staples or at Monk's. Some schools may be already starting to carry them, and hopefully your school will reimburse you for the cost. When you get your new battery, just pop that into your pen. Line up the flat side on the pen with the flat side on the lid, and just a little bit off-centered, snap it right back into place. Okay, and it's all good to go again, except you still now need to reconnect it to your Surface through the Bluetooth. To do that, tap the Windows key on your keyboard, and then start to type in blue and Bluetooth. Adding a Bluetooth device should come up as an option. Make your pen discoverable by holding down the tip. When you hold down the tip, the little white light here should start to flash, and that indicates it is now discoverable, and it should show up as an option for adding it to your Surface Pro. Once you do that, you're good to go back in business. Thanks very much, and good luck.